You know it's all about the boom. What is up, God? The Matt Pally era here, and happy Wednesday. That is right. And today we're gonna be unboxing this AEW figure, Adam Cole. That's right, and he is an AEW Series 11 figure. That is right. Pretty cool. Here's the other side of All Elite Wrestling, AEW, Adam Cole. And here's the back of it. And there's Adam Cole himself right up top, right up there. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. I like it a lot. And there's his signature right up there too as well. So pretty cool. So now let's get to this AEW figure unboxing of Adam Cole. This figure is amazing. I really like it a lot for my AEW figure collection. I always wanted a Adam Cole AEW figure so bad, and it's really cool to add to my Adam Cole figure collection. This is what I did so far with the unboxing. Alright, I got Adam Cole out. I'll take him out. This is what he looks like. Let's take out his elbow pad. One interchangeable hand is out, as you can see, pretty cool. The other interchangeable hand is out. Another interchangeable hand is out. Another changeable hand is out. Now it's time to take out Adam Cole, baby. Pretty cool. Now he finally got Adam Cole out of the package. Look at this, guys. Pretty amazing Series 11 Adam Cole AEW figure. So guys, hope you all enjoy me unboxing this Series 11 Adam Cole figure AEW. So guys, once again, if you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you happy Wednesday and enjoy your Wednesday too, guys. And Adam Cole, baby. That is right. Peace out, guys. See you happy Wednesday again.